बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम करने जा रहे हैं क्वेश्चन 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 8A। हमारा जो टॉपिक चल रहा है दैट इज़ द पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया। इट्स ए पार्ट वी कैन फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ एनी शेप। Here will be the closed shape. We can find the perimeter and area of any closed shape. Its B part perimeter of a square with side L. The formula for the perimeter of square is 4L. We can also write L plus L plus L plus L, and it can be written as the 4L. This is the perimeter. 4L will be the perimeter of the area of square. Uh, 4L is its perimeter, not the area. Now we are going to solve its C part. Perimeter of rectangle with sides L and B. We can find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is the 2L plus 2B. We can take 2 as a common. L plus B will be the 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of the rectangle. 2 into L plus B, this is the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle. Now going to solve its B part. Perimeter of square with 8 centimeter each will be perimeter of square is the 4L, and here length of each side is the 8 centimeters, so it will be 4 into 8, it is the 32 centimeters. 32 same is the answer. Its E part. If the sides of a rectangle are 2 cm and 5 cm, then its perimeter will be. Here are the sides of the rectangle. Its length is the 4 centimeters and its breadth is 2 cm. We have the formula for the perimeter of rectangle, that is the 2 into length plus breadth. It is length is 5 and breadth is 2. We can write 2 into 7, it is 14 centimeter. This is the 14 centimeter as the perimeter. Now it is the question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Its A part. Perimeter is sum of all boundary lines of a shape. Yes, it is the sum of the all boundary lines or all surrounding. This is true. Now its B part. We can find the perimeter of rectangular shapes only. No, it is not correct. It is false. We can find out the perimeter of any closed shape. This will be correct. Here is given only rectangular, that is correct. That is wrong, not correct. Now its C part. If the length and breadth of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and the 15 centimeter respectively, then its perimeter is 28. Its length is 15 and its its length is 13, its breadth is 15. The formula for the perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. It is 2 into 13 plus 15. 2 13 plus 15, it is the 28 into 2, it will be 56 centimeters perimeter of this rectangular diagram. But here is given it is 28, that is false. Original answer is 56. The perimeter of sphere with side 23 is 92. We will check this one. Perimeter has the formula for the perimeter of the sphere. It is the 4L, and L is the 23 here. It will be 4 into 23. 23 will be multiplied by 4. 4 3s are 12. 1 carry 4 2s are 8 plus 192. Yes, it is correct. 92 centimeter, and here is also perimeter given, that is the 92. This is the true. Next, if the perimeter of a sphere is 23 centimeter, then its each side is 7. We have the formula 4p is equal to 4l, and here is perimeter given us, it is 28. We will put here 28 as the perimeter of sphere is equal to 4l. 28 over 4 is equal to L. This will be 7. 4 times are the 28. This is the length of each side. Each side it is the 7. It is given 7, that is true.